I'm gonna get a new exhaust system fitted to my M2 Competition. I've actually kept it stock since the first day I purchased it back in November 2019, and I've enjoyed every bit of it. I've taken it to the track days and thrown it sideways, driven it on mountain twists. It never disappointed me, apart from that exhaust note and the testicle-like rear muffler.
Look at this dude.
Today, I'm gonna get it sterilized by fitting a new catback system, which is an RES catback exhaust. I would do a before and after comparison, so you will know the difference between the stock system and the RES catback.
What the fuck are you looking at?
Immediately after first startup, it was so much louder. I think it's about 30 to 40% louder than the factory exhaust subjectively, and when in efficient mode it's almost as quiet as the factory exhaust, which is just what I want because I don't want to wake my neighbors up midnight coming home late. And the duration of pops and bangs gets way longer, probably because the exhaust gas is less restricted going through the pipes. Pops and bangs are crazy, man. Oh, I'm speechless. This aftermarket system maintains a deep note in lower RPM, while it sounds thicker and punchier in mid to high RPM. It definitely makes my driving less efficient because I want a deeper throttle, more throttle, and harder throttle. Well, the world is getting more quiet when automotive industry is going electric. But I'm not electric headed yet. I'm not a fan of driving a car without engine noise, for the same reason as why no one enjoys watching silent pornography. That S55 may sound less charming than, let's say, a Lamborghini V12. But I'm just doing what I can to preserve my right to enjoy an internal combustion engine. So, let's turn it up while we still can.